Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to set up Mute All Sounds shortcut in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To set up our convenient shortcut, we have to go to Settings first, then we are looking for Accessibility options here, and here we have Hearing Enhancements menu. Mute All Sounds, here it is. Shortcut function is right here. We just simply enable it, and we have few options to choose. For example, we can add this shortcut to our all-around accessibility button, or we can choose from this to here. For example, press and hold volume up and down buttons for 3 seconds. Not very comfortable, but you can do it. Or press side and volume up buttons, whatever you prefer. For example, now when we have sound. If we as you can see, Mute All Sounds is on, and we don't have our sounds. Turn it on, and now it's back. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.